Hold S.
S.
Okay?
Pull the
Yung
pin.
P, ano yan?
Fire extinguisher.
Pull the pin.
Hold the pin.
Demonstration.
Ito, tanggalin. Pero yung una, yung yellow, sabi ni si Rose. Tanggalin yun.
Yung one.
Tapos
Same.
pin ha. Yung P ha. Remove the pin. And then,
Aim the nozzle to the base of fire.
aim to the fire. To the point. For example, that is the fire. Point to the fire. And then, squeeze.
Squeeze the handle.
And make it sweep.
Sweep.
So, E-S-S-S. Okay, example.
Tagalogin mo na lang para
Okay.
maintindihan nila.
Tanggalin yung pin. Ha! Sako! Ito yung pin. Point is one. Spin. Ito. Okay na yan.
Squeeze. Sweep side by side.
Okay. Another take out. One pulse. Okay. Okay na. Ayun ka ito. Ito naman. Para makita nila. Tika. Tika mo. Tira. May apoy daw. Ito na apoy.